Helen Tracy, opening day 19.
Day 19 of the kit. Let's see what's in day 19.
And we're getting closer to Christmas.
We sure are. Almost Christmas Day. Is it going to be hot on Christmas Day, do you think?
Yes, the same as day 10.
Oh, there is other things in here too though. What is in here?
A book.
A book and some envelopes to go with all of your card bases you got earlier on. So it's another book. This one has got beautiful card ideas of using that beautiful stamp you got. More absolutely stunning layouts. Oh wow, this is fabulous.
And I know what day 12 is.
Day 12, day 20, but let's finish day 19 first. So day 19 you have got this beautiful cute little inspiration book so you guys can get crafting because there's only 5 more days to go in this beautiful kit. See you tomorrow.